Hello everyone, welcome to Hindi Word. Today we will learn how to use present simple tense in Hindi. This tense is used for daily habits, routines, universal facts and general truths. I will explain the structure, give examples and help you make your own sentences. Let's begin. In Hindi speaking culture, showing respect is very important. One way we show respect is through language. In Hindi, usually singular subjects take singular verb forms. But when we want to show respect to someone, especially elders, teachers or important people, we use plural verb endings even though the person is singular. Here are some singular subjects and their ending. For example, he, she, it and I. These are some singular subjects. He, she, it means यह and वह. यह we use for the nearby things and object और वह we use for distant things and I means मैं. And here are some endings according to the subject. ता है for male singular, ती है for female, ता है, ती है with the it subject and ता हूँ for the male, ती हूँ for the female. And here are some plural subjects and their ending. Here are some plural subjects like we, they and you. We means हम, they means वे and वो, you means आप. And here are some endings according to the subjects. ते है for male person and ती है for female person. And here are some example to understand better. First sentence is he goes to temple. वह मंदिर जाता है. Go means जाना. Go means जाना. But this is a present simple sentence. So go become is goes and goes means जाता है. From the verb we take only जा word and we add ता है, ती है, ते है according to the subject. Because subject is male singular, that is why we add the ता है. So it will become like जाता है. वह मंदिर जाता है. Now the second example is he comes late. वह देर से आता है. Come means आना. And from the आना verb we will take only आ and we add ता है, ती है, ते हैं according to the subject. In this sentence, here is a he subject, male singular. So we add ता है. वह देर से आता है. Here are more example. She plays in the park. वह पार्क में खेलती है. वह पार्क में खेलती है. In this sentence, we add ती है because subject is a female singular. And play means खेलना and we take only खेल and ती है according to the subject. And in the park means park में. She eats fruits. वह फल खाती है. वह फल खाती है. Eat means खाना and we'll take only खा word खा and ती है according to the subject. Subject is female singular, so we will add ती है. So वह फल खाती है. And one more thing, as I already explained, in Hindi language usually singular subject takes singular verb form. But when we want to show respect for the someone, at this situation we will use the A sound for the male and E sound for the female. Like plural ending. She plays in the park. If you are using this sentence for the elder person, so in Hindi we will make like that. वह पार्क में खेलती हैं. खेलती हैं. खेलती word we will the same because only E sound we will use for females and ending the sentence with the nasal sound. खेलती हैं. Next is I drink tea every morning. Drink means पीना and similarly we will take P word P word from the pina and we add the ta हूँ. Ta हूँ we use for the male person. मैं हर सुबह चाय पीता हूँ. And this sentence will be different for female. मैं हर सुबह चाय पीती हूँ. E sound we always use for the female and A sound we use for male person. Here are more examples like we eat Indian food. हम भारतीय खाना खाते हैं. हम भारतीय खाना खाते हैं. We is the plural subject. That is why we used खाते हैं. खाते हैं. Also we can make this sentence like हम भारतीय खाना खाती हैं for female person. Next is we speak Hindi at home. Speak means बोलना. Similarly, as I already explained, so from the बोलना verb we will take only बोल and ते है according to the subject. हम घर पर हिंदी बोलते हैं. At home means घर पर. Speak means बोलते हैं. And for the female you can make like that. हम घर पर हिंदी बोलती हैं. बोलती हैं. Next is they travel a lot. They travel a lot. Travel means यात्रा करना. वे बहुत यात्रा करते हैं. Next, they help their parents. वे अपने माता पिता की मदद करते हैं. Parents means माता पिता. Help means मदद करना and we will take मदद कर. And ते हैं according to the subject. And subject is we are using this sentence for the male. So वे अपने माता पिता की मदद करते हैं. Also we can end the same sentence with the E sound for female. वे अपने माता पिता की मदद करती हैं. Here are more examples. You wear uniform at school. आप स्कूल में यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं. आप स्कूल में यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं. Wear means पहनना. Next is you live in India. Live means रहना. आप भारत में रहते हैं. आप भारत में रहते हैं. Here are some examples of universal truth. First one is the sun rises in the east. सूरज पूर्व में उगता है. Water boils at 100 degree Celsius. पानी 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर उबलता है. A year has 12 months. एक वर्ष में 12 महीने होते हैं. I hope you understood how to make present simple sentences in Hindi. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, leave your comment and please write your suggestion. And do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. धन्यवाद.